Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain our project, which is analysis of spatial data using clustering algorithms. My teammates are Madhuri, Sneha, Nandini and myself Aisha. We did this project under the guidance of our associate professor, Mr. C.H. Mallikarjuna Rao. What is our project about? Any geographic location may undergo changes over a period of time. These changes can be observed by naked eye only if they are huge and are over a small area. So, our project has proposed with an idea of knowing the changes occurred at a geographic location. This can be done by comparing the spatial images of a geographic location taken over a period of time by satellites. This comparison is done using clustering algorithm and histogram representation of the images. What is spatial data? Spatial data are the data related to objects that occupy space. Spatial data analysis. Spatial analysis is the process by which we turn raw data into useful information. Spatial analysis is a set of methods whose results change when the object's location is changed, which is being analyzed. Clustering. Clustering is an important task in data mining to cluster data into significant subgroups to obtain useful information. What is a histogram? A histogram can be used for the graphical representation of the distribution of data in statistics. An image histogram is a graphical representation of the total distribution in an image. An image histogram plots each tonal value in terms of the respective pixels. Our work in this project. We have taken an image as input and converted the image into pixels. Then these pixel values are used to cluster the image. The principle used is the pixels having similar values should be grouped into a cluster. In this way, clusters for a given image are formed. Similarly, the clusters can be formed for the second image. Using this, we get certain number of clusters. Using the number of clusters in each image, we determine the groups. This is the algorithm in which we have used. This is the method which we have implemented. First, we generate a pixel array using getRGB function, which is an inbuilt function of Java. Then each pixel is compared with the adjacent pixel. If they fall in the same range, then they are grouped into a cluster. The technology which we have used are Java database connectivity, Java servlets, Java server pages, and these are the requirements. Hardware requirements, the software requirements. This is the home page of our project. Here we choose the number of files for analysis. This is a spatial web page of spatial data. This is a web page for clustering. In this, the user gets the guidance on what the information is about. Here the number of files are chosen for analysis. Here we are choosing 4 files. Image 1 is WTC1, image 2 is Earth1, image 3 is WTC1, image 4 is Earth2. As we can see, image 1 and image 3 are same, image 2 and image 4 are different. These are the respective images. The spectral images for the chosen images are represented here. Image 1 and image 3 are same and image 2 and image 4 are different. As we can see, since we have chosen 2 similar images, we get same spectral representation for image 1 and image 3. These are the respective cluster values for all the images which we have chosen. And as we have chosen image 1 and image 3, we get similar cluster values. And image 2 and image 4 have different cluster values. The images which have similar cluster values are grouped into one thing, and the images which have different cluster values are grouped into another. The images in the same group are same, and the images in different groups are different. As a project, analysis of spatial data using clustering algorithm was proposed to know the changes that occurred at a geographic location in a certain period of time. This can be done by comparing the spatial images of a geographic location taken over a period of time by satellites. To understand these changes, we have implemented clustering algorithm, and also to show the changes graphically, we have used image histogram technique. These are the references which we have used.